Colorfull is a high-end automotive film manufacturer that integrates research and development, production, sales, and service. Colorfull provides high-quality, customizable, and environmentally friendly solutions, including color TPU PPF, transparent PPF, part window film, and vinyl packaging, to provide reliable products and excellent experiences for global distributors, retailers, and car enthusiasts. Our products are exported to over 100 countries, widely recognized for consistent quality, competitive prices, and professional services. Combining global experience, advanced research and development technology, and a professional production team, provide them with reliable products, tailored solutions, and innovative technologies. Empowering technology and innovating expertise are our mission and steadfast belief. At present, we have a highly skilled R&D team, ready to customize products according to your samples, specification, or brand requirements at any time. We have developed it through extensive research, rigorous testing, and continuous innovation, ensure durability, ease of installation, and high performance, strictly confidential, providing differentiated and customized OEM. All products are developed internally and supported by leading scientists and automotive care experts. Colorfull, the trendsetter of automotive aesthetics.